have nothing if you don't have your health. And I love these probiotic suppositories to take care of myself and get back to my normal after antibiotics. They obviously have a variety of uses, but that is what I use these for, and they work so well. So let me explain exactly what you do and what kind of difference they've made for me. They are a probiotic and vitamin C suppository. You do not swallow these. You put them up there. And here's what they focus on. They focus on a healthy bacteria balance, odor, and pH levels. So that is what you're really getting from the Flora Power suppositories. I also appreciate that they are dairy-free because I am allergic to dairy, so I don't need any additional irritation. And a lot of times probiotic suppositories are dairy-based, like yogurt, and I can't do that. So these are great for me. Here's what they look like. They look like just basic pills, but do not swallow these. They go up there. So know that. And also know that you do not want to do this during the middle of the day. You want to put these in at night, and there is good reason for that. The gel capsule can take like 4 hours to fully dissolve, meaning that if you put this up there in the middle of the day, there's a very good chance it could come way down as that gel capsule slides. And then when it finally releases, it's releasing right near the opening, which isn't giving you the effect you want and can cause more discharge. So put them in at night, get them all the way up there, and enjoy that sleep. They recommend you do it for 1 to 5 days. This is the Love Wellness Flora Power, and I'm glad I found something that I can trust for me.